Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello, boys and beauties. Thank you so much for coming back to visit me again. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Marquila Terrence, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to safely remove your individual crochet butterfly locks. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, you might want to do that. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alrighty, you guys, so as you see, I currently have my hair in a ponytail. I've had these locks in for about 3.5 weeks, so of course you all can see it was time for me to take them out. But sometimes the longer you keep them in, the cuter they look because it starts to look more natural. But I was just ready to take my hair out. So when removing the locks, you will not need any scissors, you will not need any razors or anything sharp, because I do not want you to cut your hair. So the first thing you want to do is separate the lock and your braid. And if you want to, you can just use a comb to separate your hair. But if you have no problems using your fingers, I would just go ahead and encourage you to do so. So I did go ahead and begin separating my hair with my fingers, and then I did go ahead and use a rat tail comb because I like to use the end piece to open up the loop for the crochet for me to easily and safely just remove the lock, right? So right now, as you all see, I'm getting to the very beginning of the braid and the lock, and usually this is where somebody will cut their hair. But if you have a rat tail comb, you do not have to worry about cutting your hair at all. All you have to do is use the back of the rat tail comb and separate it like so. So once you start to get to the top where it starts to get a little tough and you can't separate it with your fingers, go ahead and follow this exact step. Take the end of the rat tail comb and just separate the hair and separate the loop, right? So you don't want to do anything. Make sure when you do this, you don't put too much tension on your hair, because you don't want to like hurt like your roots or anything. So all I'm doing is gently just inserting the rat tail comb and separating it. And now I'm just going to gently loosen up the loop, and essentially what will happen is the lock will loosen, your hair will separate, and the lock will just come right out. So you don't have to put any products on your hair. Like I said, you don't need anything sharp. You just have to take your time and gently remove this. I promise this took me all of 20 minutes probably to do this. Some individual crochets might be a little bit easier than others, but essentially it is super easy and you will not have to worry about cutting your hair, sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you continue watching. is it. I was able to successfully remove my individual crochet locks without any scissors. And as you all see, my hair is perfectly fine. The last time I did this hairstyle, I accidentally cut my hair. So I tried to come up with another technique so that I would not have to use scissors, and it worked out perfectly fine. I wasn't tender, my hair came out perfectly fine. So grateful. And I really hope that this video helped you too. So when you take out your protective styles or your crochets, hopefully this method will help you. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. And be sure to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly video. So without further ado, thank you so much, and I cannot wait to see you next time.